What's going on, guys? Today we're working on the C6. We're basically just going to change the headlight bulbs and the fog light bulbs. In order to do that, you gotta remove this little weather thingy. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips, and then you'll have access to the headlights. I got the switchback DRL turn signals and the upgraded low beam, that's what it is. So we'll upgrade that and then we'll worry about the fog light afterwards. It's in there, you gotta open up this to get in there, but we'll do that afterwards. So in order to remove these, I basically just get a little screwdriver, pop them out a little bit, just enough for me to get a little bit of a grip on them with a plier. Oh, gotta be careful not to break these. Also, if you have like a removal clip, a trim removal clip, that, or tool, whatever, that could also work. Alright, well, you don't even really need to remove all of them. Look, this is good enough. I guess we'll get started with the turn signal, which this is high beam, low beam, turn signal. So there's a little pressure clip over here, or maybe not. I don't think there's anything on there. Yeah, you just have to turn it. What is this? Counterclockwise? Yeah, turn it counterclockwise. So it'll come out. Remove the bulb. Here are the new turn signals. So you can see they're all LEDs. Just pop them in there. All right. And now this is where the tricky part comes in, because you have to, oh, come on. Alright, so you gotta put the little ballast, I don't know, I forgot what this is called. So what you need to do is you need to connect them. Basically, the way you do it is you put this in here, like this. Obviously, get a little bit of more trim in it, maybe not. Put it in there, and then from there, you plug it into both sides of this, crimp it, and that's it. So let's do that. Okay. So I had to open up my harness a little bit because there was not enough room for me to put this in. Oh, come on. All right. Okay. So make sure that you get it in there nice and snug. Put the other one in there and then I'll connect the two. Oh, right. So you want to put them on the two outside wires, the black wire and the blue and white for, there's a C6 Grand Sport. It might be different for yours, but make sure you put them on those two colors. I mean, not those two colors, but the two outside wires. Colors don't really matter. Oh, all right. Well, there's a giant pain. All right, so let's get. You might want to get a different pair of pliers, probably needle nose. As you can see, mine doesn't actually fit. So, just lock it in there for now. You want to get a nice tight lock. Otherwise, it's pretty much pointless. A different pair of pliers, needle nose. Hopefully, this time they will close. don't think that's all that they go, but that might be all that they go. Alright, I guess we'll leave it at that. So as you can see, I got hyper flash. Need to probably crimp these down some more and then should be good. So let me just get on that. Alright. So now as you can see, it's actually working properly. It's not hyper flashing, so just make sure these are like really tightened down. This one's probably gonna mess up on me because one of them's like really loose, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Alright, then just put it back in there. You could tuck this anywhere. Let's put it behind. Yep, see, I already have hyper flash. Alright, which one? Probably this one. Alright, well, just make sure you clamp them tightly. I'll probably fix that later on. Alright, next up is the low beam. You don't really need to replace it. I bought the wrong one, but whatever. So basically, take it out. You just have to remove this little gummy lens cap from the bottom over here. Just flick it up, then you can grab it with a pair of pliers. I got needle nose pliers. Just pull it back. Should come out. Oh man. Alright, and then in order to remove these, you probably have to get like a torque bit, probably a T10. I'm gonna go get one and I'll be right back. Yeah, it's a T10, just like I said. Just make sure when you're removing it, you're careful, because you don't want to lose that. And you can't even really see the other side. Oh, there we go. You really want to make sure you don't lose these screws because they are super tiny, as you can see. Okay. Then to remove it, as you see, you just pull it out. Then you just need to remove this little thing, the holder, which just slides right off. Take it out. Slide it right into the new one. And that's it. Then you just put this back in, you put the screws. Well, yeah, you plug it in. Or not. Just see if it works. You can already tell that's going to be a huge pain. So as you can see, that works. Just want to stick it in. Oh, should probably turn these off because these are bright. You just stick it in there, then put the screws, and it should be good. Okay, well, that should be. No. I think I got it in the hole. First try. Not really, but whatever. Good enough for me. Well then. Alright, well this side is done. Biggest issue would be this, so how the hell can I fix this? Oh, make sure you put the shield cover back on. Alright, then. Okay, that's good. Alright, so now I just need to figure out this thing, which maybe I could put it like that. Because it does work, it just works whenever the hell it wants to. Because I tried it out before and it was working. Maybe if I get some 3M, it should hold it. So I'll go do that. That's what the finished product looks like. Couldn't really get a good angle to film it. Just some word of advice: if you see that the fog light's not turning on, always test them because mine didn't turn on. Just flip it, the switch or the connector, whatever, 180 degrees, like upside down, right side up, whatever, and then see if it works. If it does, put it back in there, tighten up those 3 little screws near it, and then you're all good to go. Then that's pretty much it for me today. I did fog lights, headlight, low beam, and switchback turn signal. Just like I said, make sure you get the right connectors and then make sure that they're on there tight and you don't break them like I did. But yeah, I'll be taking some shots of what it looks like at nighttime in just a few hours because it's still daytime here. So, you know, like, subscribe, comment, all the above. Anyway.